Hello, my name is Arjun Rajput from Carorex Olive International School. Imagine a 700-year-old ventilation system that operates with zero energy consumption and zero carbon footprint. This ancient innovation was crafted by the vernacular architects of Yas. What if we told you that the Greenwich air conditioning was invented 700 years ago and it was able to cool 12 degrees Celsius with no electricity? Meet the city of Yas in Iran, one of the hottest places on earth, reaching temperatures of 50 degrees Celsius in every summer. Today I have made this wind catcher. A wind catcher looks like a tall chimney with two or more open sides. The system is very simple. The wind catcher catches the wind from here, and with the help of water it cools it down. It goes inside the house, it circulates inside, and then it becomes hot and comes out from the opposite side here. This smoke is just for illustration so that you can know how the wind catcher catches the wind. And from the the water from the top goes to the trough, and from the trough it flows to the roof, and it is been channelized and circulates, and then from here it goes down and it circulates again to the top. Looking at what our cities are becoming, is it time to turn to vernacular architecture and learn from how our ancestors has developed for centuries? This is a beautiful example of human creativity in search for climate changes and global warming. Thank you.